Starting in April, I'm going to be leading an art journal challenge. It's called Create and Flourish, and it's designed to help people explore their creativity and gain some confidence in their own ability and journaling skills. I'll be leading that over 30 days. It's a 30-day art journaling challenge. I'm going to be using lots of really fun resources and learning myself, no doubt, as I go through the challenge. I've already started preparing because I've got lots and lots of videos to do. There are some lovely free resources available to you. You can sign up to the challenge below by clicking the link in the description. You can download those resources completely free of charge, and it's free to participate, and there's also a community group if you'd like to share your journaling as well. It's designed to help us reconnect with our creativity and to help to boost our confidence and be able to express ourselves freely by using our art journals. But we don't have to just use journals. We can use all sorts of other resources as well. So if you've got things that you want to use yourself, I personally am going to be using lots of different envelopes and cards and some recycled things as well. So I'm really looking forward to the process, but it is going to be quite a challenge for me because it's going to be over 30 days. Now, you don't have to do every single prompt yourself, but the prompts are provided one every single day. There are also some preparation questions and also some reflection questions at the end of the challenge as well. So if you are interested in taking part with me, you would like to join me, I'm going to be doing most of the videos over here on this channel, but I'm also going to be doing a couple of videos on my other channels as well, so I will link those below. And if you sign up to the community, I will be adding the videos in there on a day-by-day basis as they are done. So I do hope that you're going to join me. If you are, then please let me know. I'd love to hear who's going to be taking part, and I look forward to seeing you in the journaling challenge. Take care. Bye.